Hello friends and potential friends. Am I gonna get lucky? I'm just out here cleaning up in the garden. I happen to notice we got some honeybees going in and out of that trash can again. Not as many as the swarm I had a couple years ago, but I see at least 4 or 5 of them, and they're sure interested in that. I can't believe there's any wax left in that thing. It's been 2 years since I tried to capture that swarm. But that's the same hole that they were going in and out of when the swarm was here. And there's one fixing to land on my hand. There's 4 or 5 of them flying around in here and going in and out of there. Maybe I should try to watch where they go, so maybe I can find out where they've got their hive. I just thought I would, just caught my attention. Sure would like to get them to move into my yard art out there. They're pretty busy in there. Not enough to constitute a swarm, but they are interested in what's going on inside that trash can. Now one of the lizards is moving over that way. Lizard, you better watch it. They are armed. And you're a tiny little thing. Sorry about the jittery camera work. I got mosquitoes trying to make a feast out of me. Sweat bees too. Okay, guess that's about it for now.